basil. Basil growing pretty wild, and that's good. You can, man, you want to put it on some steaks. All right, so my cups. Just come in here with it. Just recording. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes trying to push through. And I do everything from seed, so what I put here, but whatever it is will be coming through soon. But I do everything from seedlings. I didn't drill holes in this one, so probably don't know what that is. Cabbage, peas, onions. Good Lord. Can't remember what I put in that neither. Okay. Anyway. Look at that. Look at that basil. Leaning. That was some tomatoes I made from seedlings. Don't know what the deal is with those, but look at them cucumbers. Yeah. Cucumbers coming through. Boom, 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 boom. In there. Up there. Boom, boom, boom. What's that? More in there. Down here. In there. In there. Boom. Israel, if you're not gardening, and not just Israel, everybody, I think everybody should take up gardening. Because like I said, how things are heading, you're definitely gonna need it. Oh, got some peppers coming through here. Some mint. Onions. Got peppers coming through over there. Yep. And that rainwater do them real justice. So got multiple coming in there. Boom, boom, boom. Let me cover that back up. Okay. I had put those in from seedlings yesterday. Some cute, those are cantaloupes. I was out here and had some, was digging, and all types of earthworms came up, so I know that's gonna be good. Some melons, they're coming through. Let's head out. It's kind of soggy back here. All right, here we go. Tomato plants, tomato plants, tomato plants. I love tomatoes, tomato plants. Boom, boom, boom. Tomatoes inside. Oh, turning red. Tomatoes, tomatoes, tomatoes inside, down there. Tomato turning red. More tomato plants. I got my little corn, like it's dying, but I got some more corn I planted. Seedlings coming up now. Beans, strawberries, Swiss chard. These are habanero peppers. Hot peppers. More tomatoes, 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 peppers, peppers. Yep. Boom, boom, boom. Tomatoes coming through, pushing through pretty good. And these are gonna be more red kidney beans. And you understand they're starting to come through now. So tomatoes, more tomatoes in the front. Peas, and they do good with a trellis, so I got that in there. Peppers coming through. Hot peppers here. And these are the pieces of corn, or the corn I got coming up. So each one has one coming out so far. So that's gonna be nice. Boom. I have to move one over here as well. So corn coming through. Wipe my camera off. There we go. Cameras, there we go. Okay, it's not really focusing, but anyway. Corn coming through. Peppers here, More tomatoes, multiple tomato plants. Tomato plants, big boy tomato plants. You see them off in there. Yep, look at that. More tomato plants. See them off in there. Onions. Yep. Beans. In here. I think that's corn. I think it's corn. Garlic. More beans. Peas. Beans. So those there, like light color, those are okra. Garlic. And then back here, this is corn. I just did some corn about a week ago, so those 7 are gonna be corn. More tomato plants. That's corn as well. So I think it should be 6, 12, 17 things of corn. Yeah, corn, yep. So then I got some melons around the front. I think this is cayenne pepper. Hadn't came through yet though, but oh, yep, coming up. Cayenne pepper. So it's coming through. Everything looking pretty good. And it's just the beginning of May, so you guys still have time. Especially if you're here in the South. You know, it doesn't get cold again to around what, October-ish. So you can, I'll be planting more beans and stuff consistently. And my good friend Sue bought this wagon for me. And this done stopped a lot of back-breaking work. So yeah, but that's the garden. It's coming through. And I was gonna try to do some quail, and then this last storm came through. And this last storm came through and fell on my, you see the tree back there in the back? Fell inside of it. So get time, I'll try to rebuild it, assess it and rebuild it. Probably get back there and cut some of the stuff down. You know, look at all that. Yeah, that's crazy. But I was gonna have some quail in there. You know, we can eat quail. Quail is clean. Chicken isn't, but quail is. Man, I get so much peace from just being out here in my garden. I promise you guys, with all the stuff that's going on in the world and in life in general, a garden will do you real good. Very, very, very good. Also, my compost over here on the side, my compost here on the side, got a tomato plant again, growing out of it, because I throw the seeds and everything in it. Hummingbird. So it's coming through. Yep. A lot of water. But that's pretty much it. I'll keep you guys updated. Show you some before and after shots. Like I said, man, if you can really get into gardening. I'm trying to close these gates. I think I'll go right around here to the front side. Oh, I got some more bags of soil. I got some more potting soil inside. I always mix it, and then add 13 fertilizer. Usually my potting will be under here, like this blue-tailed skink. But I guess since it rained, he didn't come under. But that's what these are, kidney beans. You can see them, red kidney beans gonna come through. And I accidentally dropped some watermelon seeds out here, and boom, watermelons coming. Nice lush watermelon. It's doing better here than it did in the backyard in my actual spot. And I know it grew real good out there. So more beans here, and then of course I buried some sweet potatoes, and look, they're coming up. So I got some sweet potatoes. I think there's a couple more under here. So they'll be coming up soon, and those vines go all over the place. So if you can, guys, start your garden. Shalom.